Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious oatmeal cookie. It comes out amazing and it's perfect for coffee time. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these amazing oatmeal cookies, these are the ingredients. I have baking soda, cinnamon in powder, salt, egg, unsalted butter, vanilla paste, oatmeal, all-purpose flour, and brown sugar. This is everything we need to make these amazing oatmeal cookies at home. So let's get started. I am ready to start with the all-purpose flour. I'm going to put it through a sifter and I am going to sift it very good. And of course I'm going to add the dry ingredients in here, the salt, the cinnamon, and I'm just going to go ahead and sift it. When you sift all these ingredients, you make sure that there are no lumps in there. This is my brown sugar, and to tell you the truth, the brown sugar gives these cookies, oatmeal cookies, an amazing flavor. I'm just going to incorporate everything in here, making sure that everything is incorporated before I add the wet ingredients. Look at this. Take your time mixing everything. You want everything to be incorporated. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead, just put it aside, and I'm going to continue with the wet ingredients. I'm going to start with the 1 egg. To this egg, I'm going to add the vanilla paste. If you don't have vanilla paste, you could just add vanilla extract. But the vanilla paste really brings up this amazing flavor. I'm just gonna whisk it in. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add it directly to the dry ingredients. Look at this. Once you add it in here, I'm going to incorporate it. And once it's incorporated, I am going to add my melted butter. 1 stick of melted butter. Add it in here, keep mixing it. I know that it looks like if it's very dry, but once you incorporate everything, it's gonna be nice and moist. Just continue doing what I'm doing. Don't add anything else. It's gonna come out perfect. It looks a little dry, but believe me, you don't need to add anything else to this mixture. Once you add everything in here, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add my gloves on. I'm gonna put my gloves on and I am ready to make these amazing oatmeal cookies. Roll them on your hand, press them just a little bit, and then you're ready to put it on a baking sheet. I have my baking sheet here. I'm gonna go ahead, put it sideways, and then I'm gonna start adding the cookies right on the dough. Right on the side. Remember, when you make these cookies, they're gonna expand a little bit, so make sure that you leave space in between them so they don't stick to each other. They're gonna expand just a little more than what they are right now. Remember, it all depends how big you make your cookies or how small, and that's gonna tell you how many cookies you could make out of this mixture. I am making about medium-sized cookies or a little large-sized cookies, and I will show you how many I got from this batter. But they come out amazing with a glass full of cold milk, perfection made at home. Well, here I'm gonna stay making my cookies, and then I'll see you when they're done. And here they are done. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Make sure that always preheat your oven before you add your cookies into the oven. The oven needs to be nice and hot. Once you put them in here, they're gonna take about 19 minutes. And when the 19 minutes are over, voila, look at this. Look how beautiful these cookies came out. Of course, it smells amazing already. And here I want to show you that they are still nice and hot, but let me open one so you see how they're crispy from the outside, but yet very soft and spongy from the inside. Okay, I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy them with my family. You could see the little pieces of the oatmeal. I'll see you in just a little bit. They came out amazing. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing oatmeal cookie, especially with the brown sugar. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how it came out. Excuse me. Very crispy from the outside, but yet very moist from the inside. Of course, with a very cold and delicious milk. Perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make these amazing oatmeal cookies, especially with the brown sugar. Your family is going to really love this recipe. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.